Apa? Hah? Kamu live?
Okay.
Hah?
No problem.
Bola.
Bola. Ni hao ma.
你好。啊，
We lie down here.
看来是有故事哦。啊，冷不冷？嘿嘿嘿，我们就上车啦，30公里。在这热火朝天 ，safety。
Very good.
I'm a Jojo.
Jojo.
Yeah.
Manasa.
Manasa. Ah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. 谢谢。I thought maybe you working in Chinese company
Oh.
before?
No.
No, never. So how do you say 你好，谢谢
A lot of friends.
Oh, a lot of friends from China.
I'm a boat captain.
Okay.
I've got a knee problem.
Okay.
I broke my knee. The ocean water is very cold. So I walk in the land driving. Delivery.
Tourist service or no?
Huh?
The tourist?
No.
No?
Boat time tourist. Now boat stop. I do driving delivery for company.
Okay.
For paint company. So I go Raki, go to Singapore. I stay in Lotoka.
Yeah, captain.
I'm a captain.
Okay.
Captain in the boat, now captain in the car.
Maybe I will take you.
I have a lot of friends. They come for boat cruise. Chinese parents, Chinese students. So I help them.
Okay. You have new friend.
Yes, today new friend. Very good.
Yeah. I'm reading to this last day. I ride a bicycle in Fiji.
Oi, where you go?
I stay 90 or maybe to island.
Around the island?
Yeah, some days and maybe 2 weeks and go back China.
Wow.
Yeah.
I go Nandi, go Lotoka.
Okay.
I stay in Lotoka. My family Lotoka.
Lotaka. Oh, Lotaka, yeah.
Lotaka.
Another town.
Right.
Yeah. I visit before.
Oh, very good.
我要给他上点货
Okay. Oh,
for gift from China.
wow.
You see? Looks like a flower.
Right.
Yeah. And then put it here.
Oh, right.
You saw it?
This good luck, eh?
Yeah, good luck. And smell.
Oh, China smell.
Yeah. Medical.
Oh no, maybe I take it home.
Okay.
This is company, but it's okay.
Yeah, take it. Lucky. 贵人出门多风雨，突然之间大暴雨，大哥出现的很及时啊，太绝了吧！这个暴风雨都是一阵一阵。So you got married?
Married with grandkids.
20.
3 kids.
Oh.
And 3 grandkids. Granddaughter.
Oh. But you look like young. Yeah.
Yes.
In Fiji, young man will become grandfather.
Yes. Sorry.
Oh. 15?
Hi.
You? How?
50.
Oh yeah? Okay. I'm near 40.
You?
Yeah, 39.
Oh, very good.
But I'm single. And then you have daughter.
Yes.
If on the speed, how many fans?
$40.
Just $14.
It's not just the $40. It's $40. It's expensive.
$40 just east, yes?
Yeah, 40. Here, 60 kilometers per hour. If you come 80 kilometers per hour, which is normal average. 80 limits around Fiji.
Okay.
So if you come 60 zone, 60 zone. If you go 80, it's $25.
Okay.
If you go
more?
80 zone, 60 zone, you go 100.
Yeah.
Woo!
This is the 60.
40, yes. 60,
Yeah.
we have to go slow here.
Oh, sometimes you inside the village, we stop and slowly
Yes.
40. Yeah.
The camera.
Oh, have
So,
camera.
Yeah, here, camera.
Oh, here.
Right, this one.
Oh, this one.
That camera, if you go past 60, it automatic go to the police.
Okay.
So you got a mail, come to your box. Okay, this is your high speed.
If you drink,
Or drink, a different story.
yeah.
They test, breathalyze. If more than
Yeah, test.
yes, they bring out, they take out the testing. Okay, open your mouth, bro. Hana. Ooh, 50%. They
Okay.
take out the key, take the car, you go to jail. Go to the police station.
Okay. How many?
Charge,
No, 10.
fine. Depends. The 50, that's you go inside.
Okay. How long?
Maybe 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
Oh, listen. If you're dangerous, you kill accident. No,
Because when you have an accident and you're drunk,
Yeah.
that's maybe 10 years.
If it's a safety, test you, listen.
If less than 50, then you okay. Don't do that again. Go home and sleep.
Okay.
Don't drive.
So 1 beer, 2 beer, no problem.
1 beer, no, don't.
No?
No beer. Okay.
Because I saw too many guys drink 1 beer. Okay, joy. Looks like
Because they don't check, eh?
yeah.
Because when you come, 1 beer, finish now, 5 minutes, you go on the road, and then police check. That 1 beer, it's more percentage. Because the smell, is strong. It's not like 1 beer, you go eat, and you go to the grass, and then you go on the road, there's very less percent. It's better to be safe.
Yeah.
Don't drink. If you're driving, no car, park the car, no more driving, no drinking.
Almost the people in Fiji has a job, but very easy, not? No.
Some people in the rural area, the interior and the island, education is not that protected. Education is like nothing to them because they farmers. That's all they need.
Yeah.
You're strong men, you go farming, you eat.
Yeah.
Okay, if you don't have money, no problem.
Yeah.
You got food. But when you come down here, this area, town area, you need to go to school. You need to be very smart.
Yeah.
Because money, you have to have money for eating, for drinking, for sleeping.
Yeah.
Everything is cost money.
So, how many they were got looks like waiter, restaurant waiter, and gas station job?
Oh yes.
How many they were got for 1 month?
Now the government is giving $4.50
Wow.
1 hour.
Oh, so this is different. Not to pay 1 month, just pay
Pay every week.
Oh, every week.
Every week.
Okay.
Some places they $250 1 week.
How long the work 1 day?
It
8
depends.
hours or 10 hours?
8 hours.
Okay.
It depends what they're doing, what job they're doing.
Uh,
If they job in the restaurant,
mm,
have to be 8 hours. The restaurant sometimes open 24/7.
yeah.
Some shops they open only from morning to afternoon. Some shops they open from morning to maybe 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock to close.
Okay. Thank you, my friend. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And thank you so much. Yeah. 然后我们现在到南极的郊区了，来得有点快。我本来以为他要下山的时候到，然后我们去见船长嘛，最后一次告别了。这来到了南极，这是南极市区，之前没来过啊。一来就看到佛台海鲜酒家，这个就看一看啊。在斐济已经吃过不少中餐了。风风火火来到南极，结束了斐济的环岛之旅。第一件事情要干啥呀？要浪起来吗？来验收一下啥呀？验收一下这个脚底板，可以吧？这不枉骑这500公里，把它骑成这样了。这套着这袜子，中草药的。这一路上测试，从新西兰，包括之前的欧洲，就是这一路在这测，很舒服的啊。千里终须一别，我们来送别皮特船长，我靠，都已经坐上了。你下来呀！啊！我找个地方放车吧。靠岸的男子。你已经上岸了。
背包旅行了。
提上小麦汁，
对吧？
面朝大海，就是没有比基尼哦。Cheers！干杯！
我看人生